All right, guys, we're going to get this EVGA motherboard opened up, and I am going to get the socket in here and all that stuff. Okay. Going to get the socket opened up in this guy. And just get rid of some trash here, guys. Give me a second. And we will get this party rolling. So, gonna go over here and grab the CPU, get this guy ready. So, a couple things with motherboards. You gotta be really careful of the pins in here in the door. You can't let it slap down. It's not gonna hurt your pins, but you don't want to drop anything on the actual socket. You gotta be really careful. Also, there's a door. Sometimes you gotta pop the plastic thing off the door. Other times the CPU, you socket it and it'll actually pop it off. So I'm gonna go here and we're gonna get this motherboard out, and I'm gonna use this nice static bag to keep this thing protected, and the upper camera can see this. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna press down and then out to the left on this guy, and that's gonna undo your socket. And then you're gonna lift this door up, and there's gonna be a little marker to where you put the CPU there. What the? You gotta be kidding me, EVGA. Really? Really, EVGA? So the thing I said not to do, EVGA has sent me an Nvme board that has got a bent pin. Thank you, EVGA. So I'm gonna have to, you know what, I'm gonna make an EVGA video real quick. So let's do that. So guys, I don't know if you can see it on the upper camera here. Give me a second. But I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about here. If you look, right here, there's a bent pin. So I'm going to do a circle with the light, so hopefully it shows for the camera. I can see it from right here. Let me dim this camera. Let me dim this light down a little bit. Sorry if you're getting a reflection, but it's right in that corner. The nice bent pin. I had to do a double take when I undid the board. All I got to say is that this is horrible. So I'm going to let the camera see it really quick here. Give me a second. Let me lift the board up and make sure I don't drop this door. It's right in that corner.
Oh yeah, that's clear.
Right in that corner. And you guys just seen me. I just unboxed the board right in front of you. Good job, EVGA. Like, good job. RMA department is on cue. I was thinking about just making this video and posting it and just maybe letting EVGA respond, but I'm going to call them and I'm going to ask to talk to a manager. We'll see here. But this is unacceptable. I don't know what your RMA department is doing, but it's totally unacceptable. Now I got to pay another $15 to get this thing shipped back to you, and it's just really uncool. Now it's not more wasted time. Now I have to make this video. I have to wait another 2 weeks because you guys surely aren't gonna count me, because you know I don't know what's going on over there. You guys got to get your crap together. I really liked EVGA, but if this is the type of stuff I'm going to get out of your RMA department, I mean, I can't trust your product to do its job, guys. It saddens me. It actually saddens me that I can't trust the product enough. I feel really, really bad for EVGA right now. You guys are really, really sorry that this is how it is. So now I'm going to have to go to Best Buy, spend another $230 so I can make this video today. If they even have the right board, or I'm going to have to buy a new processor and board because they might not have the same chipset, the 1155, for my processor. So EVGA, I'm shaking my head. Thumbs down, guys. Thumbs down. Come on. I can't believe that this is how you would treat a customer. I mean, it feels like an insult to me. I guess it's not. Or somebody was having a Friday and just said, "Oh, I'll throw it on the test bench. It's good. Send it out to them." You know, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what your QA process is over there, but if this is what you're sending out, or maybe you guys are doing really bad financially, I don't know. I hope that's not the case, but I hope you turn it around if that's the case. So this is Tech Nitwit, guys, and this was a very short video. Was supposed to be the PC Ingest video, but it is now the EVGA Badness RMA video. You guys have a wonderful day, and this is Tech Nitwit. I'm out, guys. Hey guys, it's Tech Nitwit here. Make sure you guys subscribe and like and hit that bell. Thanks.